Equal justice. On the 23rd of October, Hong Kong's arbitration community gathered for the annual Hong Kong Arbitration Charity Ball. The ball is one of the highlights of Hong Kong's legal calendar and is attended by arbitration professionals from across the world. Harneys hosted a table at the event, and an enjoyable evening was had by all. More importantly, though, the ball is an opportunity for attendees to hear from the event's charity partners and to learn more about their efforts to support the wider community in Hong Kong. This year, one of those partners was Equal Justice. During the evening, attendees were fortunate enough to be addressed by Kay McArdle, founder and director of Equal Justice, about the mission and work of Equal Justice. We are sharing this information with those of our blog readers who might wish to discover more about this work. About Equal Justice. Launched in 2020, Equal Justice is a Hong Kong community legal access charity whose mission is to reduce the hardships experienced by people facing legal problems but who cannot afford, or otherwise access, legal information and support. For a variety of reasons, many people in Hong Kong require access to legal services, but are unable to obtain the help they need. Equal Justice believes that access to legal services is a key driver of social welfare, and that it enables inclusive societies and economic progress, much like healthcare, welfare, and education. Although Equal Justice does not itself provide legal advice, it is a critical resource for those in need of legal information and access to lawyers through its network of 100 partner law firms and chambers. This vital work is performed through 3 separate focus streams. 1. Prevent. Free community legal education. Equal Justice provides free legal information and training to members of the community. By doing this, Equal Justice aims to help people anticipate, prevent, and solve their legal problems through practical legal education, information and support into the community. This year, their services attracted 1,000 attendees and culminated with Community Legal Education Month 2024. 2. Provide. Community Legal Center. Equal Justice provides free, face-to-face legal information and support, as well as referrals to external lawyers and counselors who are willing to help. Typical legal problems include family matters, employment and discrimination, access to healthcare, education and housing, immigration, criminal matters and, sometimes, personal injury, healthcare, probate and online scams. Those helped are 50% women, 30% children, 15% men and 4% impact organizations. 3. Progress. No One Left Behind. Community legal access in Hong Kong. In 2024, Equal Justice launched the annual No One Left Behind Forum to foster more understanding and wider acceptance of the importance, status and social impact of having and investing in law as a social welfare service. Attendees included foundations, NGOs, the Hong Kong Bar Association, the Law Society of Hong Kong and Pro Bono Singapore. CLIX. Launched by Equal Justice in May 2023 in collaboration with 2 other NGOs, CLIX is an online lawyer NGO matching platform which connects lawyers willing to provide pro bono legal advice and help to community impact organizations and their client beneficiaries. CLIX has already matched hundreds of requests for legal advice to lawyers willing to help for free. PAT, or Pregnant at Work. Launched by Equal Justice, this is Hong Kong's first, free, public, digital legal platform to help employers, employees, and families to better manage pregnancies at work through information provided in multiple languages. It won the 2022 Olita Legal Tech for Good Award. In the 4 years since it was launched, Equal Justice has provided help to thousands of people in need of legal education and support. Their community legal center is overflowing, even without advertising. Demand shot up by 40% in 2022, a further 40% in 2023, and 33% in 2024 up to Q3. This demonstrates the desperate need for the services provided by Equal Justice in Hong Kong. For those interested in finding out more about the work of Equal Justice, please visit the following links: website, video, LinkedIn, impact report, financials, latest newsletter, research. Harneys does not practice or advise on matters of Hong Kong law.